आप वापस नहीं जा सकते और ना ही शुरुआत को बदल सकते हैं, लेकिन आप जहाँ हैं वहीं से शुरू कर सकते हैं और अंत को बदल सकते हैं। अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू, रिस्पेक्टेड सर एंड ऑल माई डियर फ्रेंड्स। आई एम सरगम ऑफ क्लास 9 फ्रॉम सार्थक स्कूल। टुडे आई एम here to deliver a speech on Gita Mahotsav. Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita was spoken by the Lord Krishna at the most critical time before the war on battlefield of Kurukshetra. The war of Mahabharata took place in Kurukshetra was the biggest war ever fought on earth planet. Just think what must be the mindset of everyone standing to fight face to face against the most powerful army. The only option is to kill or get killed. There is no other option. Under this mindset, fear, anxiety and worry are at the peak. The mind shut down and not capable to think anything. It just get blanks out. Do you think to talk under such circumstances and an environment to talk and guide someone is possible? It is impossible even to utter a single word. Leave it apart to say the words of wisdom. To talk under such circumstances, you need super courage, conviction, a cool mind and a calm heart. Only the supreme God of all can do. Arjun as a super warrior had the guts to talk, express his feeling and ask question to Lord Krishna and listen to Lord Krishna even when his feelings were out of control. Lord Krishna gave all the answer to the questions of the Arjun posed by Arjun. Not only he answered to all the question, also he gives us such a pearls of wisdom that becomes a picture of Hindu religion today, that is guiding individual even in today modern world. It has answered to all the question of today time. Lord Krishna started teaching Arjun only when he completely surrenders himself to the Guru or the one from whom you seek your guidance. You have also completely surrendered yourself to your Guru. There must not be any doubt, argument and critical analysis what he says, accept all unconditionally what he says. Do what he asks you to do and think without a second. There must not be any doubt. Lord Krishna gave the advice and showed the right path to the Arjun. He never fought for him. It shows that you will have to fight your battle with your circumstances. No one will fight for you, but you have to use the advice and the guidance of your Guru that you received from your Guru. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parbrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah। अर्थात गुरु ही ब्रह्मा है, गुरु ही विष्णु है और गुरु ही शंकर है और गुरु ही साक्षात परब्रह्म है। ऐसे गुरु को मैं प्रणाम करती हूँ। थैंक यू फॉर लिसनिंग माई स्पीच केयरफुली। हरे कृष्णा।